Hi, I'm Sandra Pygram, the Master Franchisee for Sydney, and I've been on board for about 3 or 4 months in the Social Media Business Boosters. Fantastic family, and certainly having an amazing experience every day. I have been engaging with clients and referral partners and leads on a daily basis, and what really kind of blows my mind every day is how excited people are about social media for their business, what it can do, and they literally won't let me out the door until I really kind of give them a great overview on what we can do and how their business can be taken to the next level using social media. So I do, presentations for different groups, business owners and small business groups, and I know every time I do that, I'm pretty much hunted down and, please come and see me immediately, and I end up with wads of business cards and people want me to come and help them straight away. So from that perspective, it's a really hot, hungry market. It's a mysterious beast, I suppose, social media, for lots of businesses. So they really want an expert to come in or a specialist to come in and show them what it's all about and navigate through the labyrinth of different words and jargon and functions and platforms and the whole thing. So I can see the relief literally go through their shoulders when I start to talk about how we can help them in social media and take away their pain of not knowing and just being in the dark about it. So as a business model, using that hot, hungry market and that real pent-up demand from businesses and having franchises on board, I'm able to put proposals together and have an engine and grunt behind me to make sure that we can deliver some really fantastic outcomes for businesses. So for those people thinking about the social media space and being in business, using a franchise model, it's just a huge market. We have more business than we can actually service at the moment because we need more people to come on board. We have inquiries every day, presentations constantly, always been asked for proposals and quotes, and we're managing it on a team basis. So that's just a great business model to be able to offer those that are interested in it. The key thing, I think, for someone to be successful in this franchise would be able to talk to customers, run through a questionnaire with them and really fact find and engage with their business needs and really understand what their business wants to achieve. So someone that can build relationships with businesses big or small. So you have to have that desire to be around people and be helpful. And I think that's the key ingredient to make a great franchise.